Okay folks, welcome back to the next step of the sourdough bread. You can see the bread has risen to the top of the loaf pans. I have my oven preheating, and as soon as it gets done, I'm going to put this in the... Alright folks, the timer just went off on my bread, so let me get this out of the oven. Didn't get my glasses fogged up that time. Oh, look at that. Folks, I love homemade bread. Is there anybody, honestly, who does not like it? I mean, really. But you can brush this with melted butter, or you can just slather the entire thing with butter whenever you eat it. That's usually what I do. But it's got a nice crust on top, nice and firm. Let's see if it'll come out without sticking. There we go. Go ahead and dump this out so it doesn't sweat in the loaf pans. I'm going to let it set for just a few minutes before we slice it. That way it doesn't mash it down. There we go. I think that is absolutely beautiful bread. But folks, that is my sourdough bread recipe that I have been making off and on for years. So I hope you enjoyed this little series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.